Traders, hello, I'm back. And to all non-traders that might be watching this channel, welcome. I'm Scott Andrews, trend trader, trade with technical analysis. Very minimal indicators as well. I have an extensive collection of videos. Not a professional trader, not a full-time trader. I do work full-time. I do this on the side. Obviously, I've got a small live account. I built that from a demo, not a demo, a back testing. Background of understanding not fundamentals. Well, it's more understanding the structures and the fundamentals of price action itself for technical analysis, and then progress to a demo account. And now I've got a small live account. I've also got another account with a lander as well. I just like to run the two accounts. I take same trades. My dog's down here, so I apologize for that. And that's it. I don't like all my money with one broker as well, so that's just my take on that. Alright, but that's just a personal preference. Alright, so with the Euro US dollar, that's how it's looking. It's going pretty good today during the Asian session. In regards to possible setups of other trades, there's not really a lot else on, and I like to be pretty picky as well. The pound yen trade was aggressive and it paid off pretty badly for me. Pound yen, I've discussed this as well as a possible trade. There's nothing really there, significant support down there. Although again, the euro has but I got in the euro a lot earlier. I got into the euro at 1.187, so that's that. And the yen continues to sort of strengthen. Aussie dollar. Look, it's typical Aussie dollar, pretty range bound, but I mean there is an uptrend developing, but it's gonna, if it gets through 76, it can close through 76 next week potentially. I don't see that happening. Today it could, who knows, but highly unlikely. USD Swiss. So again, I focus on the majors pretty much just with my work schedule. 4-hour charts. Again. And it suits pretty well because the most significant ones are the 5 p.m. close for me in Perth, the 9 p.m. and the 1 o'clock in the morning. Although I don't always see the 1 o'clock candle close in the morning. I saw the 4 a.m. candle close for the majors, and obviously there's no risk on this because that's where my stop loss is. But I've done a few trades. I've already done, this is my 3rd trade of the month, so I'm not too fussed on demanding a trade. If there's not one there, I just don't take it. Very choppy on the USD CAD and the Aussie yen. Aussie yen was a potential buy trade. I discussed this earlier in the week. I made a video about it, but I specifically mentioned this candle and how it closes, and I didn't like that. I had a follow-up video on that when it was sort of looking like that, and now it's completely collapsed. It doesn't necessarily always do that, but it's nice when it does because it reinforces good habits. But you've just got to trade like you do when you practice, and this is, live trading is the real deal. The thing with Forex is that anyone can do this, and it's extremely difficult, to be making money. You have to understand that how easy it is to lose money because you have to be very disciplined. And the less you do, I found, and I'm still finding, is best. All right. Look, guys, that is the video. I'll do a follow-up end of week update tomorrow about the same time. I would say we'll just end on the euro here. But enjoy, guys. I hope everyone has a great weekend and you're having a good Friday. And happy trading. Bye for now.